Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 3 altcoins to potentially buy right now. So yesterday on Wednesday, we had some great news from Jay Powell about the inflation and tapering and different things like that, which kind of pushed the stock market and the crypto market to rally in the past 24 hours. So in the past 24 hours, the market is up about 3.37%. We have our top gainer here in the past 24 hours, God's Unchained, which is up about 28%, trading at $6.72. We see volume here on Bitcoin at 36.3 billion, Ethereum at 28 billion. Bitcoin's up about 2%, Ethereum's up 5.5%. Bitcoin close to the 49,000 area. Meanwhile, Ethereum close to about 4,000 or 4,100, depending on where we're at right now. Then we see all these other altcoins are starting to rally as well. Altcoins are up 5%, 10%, even 15% on some of them. We see Solana up 13% up here. Avalanche is up over 18%. Luna is up 12%. Polkadot up 11%. Down here we have Chainlink 10% as well. Elrond is up over 23%. Axie Infinity and Decentraland about 6% and 7%. The meme coins here, Doge and Shiba, both having a little bit of a trend up here. Dogecoin's up 2.3%. Meanwhile, Shiba's up about 1.5%. Doge trading at around 18 cents or so. So things are starting to trend on higher once again, which is a positive sign, possibly for a rally going into the end of 2021. That's what everybody has been looking forward to, pretty much, for the Christmas type rally situation to happen and for things to start moving again. So guys, before we get into this content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you currently looking at. Now let's get into it. The first altcoin on this list is going to be right here, Cryptocom CRO. So we saw a pullback, obviously, with a lot of these altcoins, and now it's potentially time for a rally. Right here, Crypto.com hit lows at one point of about 51 cents yesterday. Now it's currently trading at 56 cents. It is up about 5%. In the past week, we saw, a 7.7% drop. In the past month, a 26% rally, and then on the 1-year chart, 769%, higher. So this coin was trading at around $1 recently. That was the high. This is obviously a glitch right here on the chart. So this coin was trading around 6 cents, in December. Continued to go through, the rest of the year, going around that same range. And then here we saw a huge rally pretty much in October and into November, hitting highs at one point at around $1 that we saw on Crypto.com. As you can see right here, about 99 cents was hit right around Thanksgiving. So from that 99 cents area, we went down to about 50 cents, which is about a 50% drop that we saw from the high to the low. And now we're potentially having a little bit of a return. So 14.3 billion market cap currently. Volume is at 298.5 million, 27% higher than usual. We see our typical hold time at 19 days, 68% buy activity, 32% sell activity, and our ranking is number 12 right now on Crypto.com as it continues to grow higher and higher. Now, Crypto.com Chains is an Ethereum token that powers Crypto.com Pay, a service that aims to allow users to pay for goods and services with cryptocurrencies while receiving cashback rewards. Obviously, as this cryptocurrency continues to grow, I believe that more popularity will become, bigger and bigger with this one, and more people will hear about it and get into it, and we're going to see another huge rally with this one. So right now, there's about a 90% upside, close to 100% upside, just to get to this all-time high area that we saw of about 99 cents, which will bring it close to about a 25 to 28 billion market cap and could push Crypto.com to continue to go even higher. So this slight pullback was a great opportunity, in my opinion, for long-term holders that believe in the coin for the future. Obviously, whenever we have pullbacks like this, if you were willing to buy the coin at the top, why would you not be buying it while it's on sale? I say the same thing in the stock market. If let's say Tesla is trading at 1,200 and you're saying, wow, I'm really bullish on Tesla and I think it's going to continue to go higher, let me buy some, and then Tesla crashes down to about $900 per share, which has happened, would you not say that again? Wouldn't you say, wow, I'm really bullish on Tesla, I'm going to buy it on this sale? No, what usually happens with people's mindset is people usually say, oh wow, Tesla's crashing down to $900. It could go lower. I'm not buying right now, which is not the right mentality, in my opinion, for real investors. And that's why, that's what separates the real investor from the beginner, the noobs, I guess you could say. You have to find those opportunities and take them when you see them, guys. So that's going to be our first altcoin on this list. Second altcoin on the list is going to be Avalanche AVAX. This one is up about 18% here in the past 24 hours, making a nice rally from $86 all the way to $107 right now. In the past week, this one's up 14% with the lows down here about $75. In the past month, we are up about 14%, hitting highs at one point here at around $150 actually. So from $150 all the way down here to lows of about $75. Once again, a 50% drop. So we saw a 50% drop in a matter of about 2 or 3 weeks, and now that's an opportunity right there. From $75, we have 100% upside just to get back up to the all-time high area. So as you can see, it's already starting to have that trend on up, and we could see that rally continue into the end of 2021. Like I said, right now there's a big rally. A lot of people are getting back in. That fear is gone that the Fed is gonna do different things like raise interest rates or something like that. That's the fear that people were having before Jay Powell spoke, and people were scared, and some people took profits. Some people were doing tax loss harvesting. They didn't want their coins or their whatever they had stocks to go lower, and they were scared about the market. And right now the fear is gone pretty much. Everybody's kind of getting back into things, and things are looking good for us. So currently 26 billion market cap. We see the volume here up almost 100% higher than usual at 2.6 billion. It is currently ranked the number 12 coin, or actually ranked number 8 coin with 12-day typical hold time. We have 71% buy activity and 29% sell activity. Avalanche describes itself as an open programmable smart contract platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as a subnet as well. So this one, if it was to come back to those all-time high areas, we were trading close to 45 billion market cap at the high. That's where we're pretty much at with Avalanche. So we're waiting for this momentum type situation to continue, and to continue to go higher and higher here into the next few weeks into the end of the year. So we're going to be watching Avalanche very, very closely, guys. Then our third altcoin is going to be Solana SOL. We talked about this one when it dropped down to about $150, and now we're going to talk about it again on the uptrend as well, because this is a great opportunity, in my opinion, once again. So Solana is trading at $185. It is up about 13%. In the past week, it hit lows of about 148. So at 150, I talked to you guys about this, and I said Solana has taken a big beating. It could be an opportunity to buy. So we saw highs of about $250 almost, and then it went down to $150. That is a $100 drop, which is a pretty significant drop right there, of about 35 to 40% drop. That was a great opportunity for any long-term investors. Obviously, with those highs of even 260 at one point, that was a great opportunity. I said this is the support level that we see here from the previous times was at 150. I said if we bounce off of this level, we could come back up even stronger. If we break through this level, we could potentially go down to about $120 before sinking even lower, possibly under $100 if that was to happen, if we were to continue to get into this bearish market. Well, we bounced off of this area right here around 150, and hopefully we're going to close that gap and come back up over 200 and continue to push on higher. That is the goal right now in Solana. So 56.9 billion market cap, 4 billion in volume, 68% higher than usual. We see our typical hold time in 28 days. It is ranked the number 4 coin, right behind Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance, obviously. 76% buy activity, 24% sell activity. Now, if you're not familiar with this one, which you should be because we talked about it many times, Solana is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof of stake consensus and so-called proof of history. As a result, Solana aims to be able to support 50,000 transactions per second without having to sacrifice decentralization. So this one is great in my opinion, as long as NFT market continues to boom, because a lot of people are using it, to trade different things and do different transactions. Solana is definitely a winner right there, right behind. Obviously, we have Ethereum as well, but Solana is the big winner there that people are trying to find that alternative coin with less gas fees and different things like that. Nobody likes those fees. Nobody wants to pay those fees, and that's the thing that we like to see with Solana. So Solana, definitely huge upside here, potential, rally type situation we're going to be seeing in the near future. So you guys let me know, what do you guys think about Solana in the comments below as well. Now let's take a quick look at these crypto bubbles here to end the video. So first of all, we're seeing a couple of big green ones here. First one on the list, obviously Avalanche. So that's like one of the big ones that we're seeing to start rallying here in the past week, 20%. We have Knowles, which is up 53%. We have Flux, which is up 44% here. Dusk, obviously, the Dusk Network. We talked about this one yesterday as well. 96% here. We have a couple little ones here. Syscoin, which is up 33%. And then we have Aragon, which is up 37%. But we obviously have some red coins here as well. If you're taking out, we're seeing a lot more red compared to green, but that could obviously switch in a matter of days. So we're going to be looking forward to these crypto bubbles in the next week to see if things start to turn the other way once again. Then, obviously, we have the meme coin. So let's talk about Dogecoin first of all. Here, it's up about 2% here in the past 24 hours, making a little bit of a move, trading at around 18 cents. We saw this little pump here from about 16 cents to highs of over 23 cents when Elon Musk said that Tesla would accept Doge for its merch. And then we saw it come back down a little bit, pretty much to where it was before the pump. In the past month, we're down 30%, guys. In the past year, it's up obviously 5,000%, but on a downward trend. I'll be very, very careful with Dogecoin. We need something huge to happen in order for this one to bounce back, because we're in a very bullish market. Meanwhile, Doge is either trading flat or on a downward trend. That's not a good sign. Imagine if we were in a bearish market, what would happen here? So 24 billion market cap currently on Doge. Bitcoin trading at around 49,000, like we said, hit those lows before, Jay Powell spoke, and we're up about 2% now. So here, trading on Thursday, things are looking good. In the past week, we're down 3%. Past month, we're down 23%. And then on the 1-year chart, obviously, we're up 129.5%, but we're still about $20,000 away from that all-time high area. 922.2 billion market cap, 32% of the crypto market space. Volume is pretty much flat, a little bit higher than usual. 76% buy activity, 24% sell activity on Bitcoin. Ethereum here up 5.5% from lows of about 3,600. And remember, guys, when I said when Ethereum goes under 4,000, it's a good deal. Then I said if it goes under 3,700, this is a perfect deal, in my opinion, to get a dip buying opportunity if you're a long-term investor, and that's something that I was looking forward to. And if it went under 3,500, that would have been like, ring the bell, sound the alarms, it's time to buy the dip right here. And that's exactly what happened. Here in the past week, we're down 8%, past month 11%, but on the 1-year chart, we're at 535%, back at around 4,100 almost, about $700 away from that all-time high area. Market cap 478.4 billion, 17% of the crypto market space. 77% buy activity, 23% sell activity, and it's still, trending upwards and doing great things here on Ethereum as well. So things are looking good in the market. The market is turning back around. We're seeing a lot more green, guys. Let me know in the comments below. Are you buying anything right now? Did you buy the dip? Were you waiting too long? Is it too late now? Or is this just the beginning? Smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 50 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. Make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.